guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to bring you guys some Christmas DIYs. I know you guys are probably like, it is definitely not even Halloween yet. Why are you doing Christmas DIYs already? But they have so many Christmas decorations out at the Dollar Tree, so I had to grab them and I wanted to share them with you guys so you could do them before they all ran out and you knew what you needed to get. Because the Dollar Tree, whatever you see at the Dollar Tree when you go, you have to get it. Because if you don't, it's not going to be there the next time. So I just wanted to show you guys some cool little DIYs that I am going to do for you guys. Some of them I've got from like Pinterest inspired or YouTube inspired, but I'm going to make them into my own. I'm going to go ahead and take you down here to my little workstation and we're going to get started on these DIYs. And I just want you guys to know how excited I am to do this. DIYs are my absolute favorite thing to do, and I just think it's so cool what you can create out of something that costs you like $3, but then you can see something just like it at Walmart for $20.
Okay, so I got these little tabletop Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. They were $1. I got 2 of them because I'm going to make 2 of these trees, but I'm not going to show you making 2 because I'm sure you don't want to see me remake this thing twice. So the first thing that I do is I just fluff this Christmas tree out, kind of like a regular Christmas tree. The thing that I noticed about these Dollar Tree Christmas trees are that they are very thin and they do not have a lot of leaves. So just get these little, they're like reef cling things, and they look like limbs, and just put them on that in the middle of them trees. I probably get like 1 pack per Christmas tree, and so I'm just gonna finish fluffing this out and get it ready to decorate. Okay, so the next thing that I got was these little containers from Walmart. I got them for $2. I got 4 of them. You can also find these at the Dollar Tree. You just will pay $1 for 1. So I just went ahead and got them at Walmart. And I'm just going to put the bottom of the tree in this jar. And I'm going to fill the jar up with rocks to hold the tree in place. Okay, so I'm going to use this blanket for the bottom of my Christmas tree. I'm not going to have a little skirt, but I'm going to use this instead just because this is how I'm going to do my real Christmas tree, so it's going to kind of match. I actually got this blanket from my mom, and it just started getting holes in it, so I'm just going to use it. I just cut like a square, and I'm just going to wrap it to the bottom, and then I'm going to put ribbon around it to keep it in place. My little top parts of where it was tied together, it's kind of long, so I just trimmed it with some scissors and it looked so much better. I'm also going to add a little bit of extra rocks because my tree is still kind of flimsy. Alright, so next I am going to take them little stems that I told you about, and I'm just going to tie them on the tree and probably take the whole pack. Like I said, I would buy 1 pack per Christmas tree. It just depends. And I just tied it around, and that's how simple that was. I also wanted to say, sorry if my voice is annoying. I am kind of sick with the cold, but I wanted to get this uploaded for you guys. So Sick or not sick, I'm still doing these videos. Okay, so I got this bow at Walmart. It was like, I think it was like $2. And you could make your own bow, but I was like, you know what? I'm just going to grab this bow. I really like it. It had the plaid theme going on that I'm going for with the old trucks. So it really actually looks cute with this Christmas tree, and I love the way it looked on it. Okay, next I'm going to make this tree look like it has snow on it. Now, there's two different ways you can do this. You can do it with fake snow, or you can do it the way I'm doing it, which is with white paint and a paintbrush, and just kind of like paint the tips of the stems white. And I like this method better because it doesn't fade away and the paint stays on there, so I'm not going to have to redo this next year. Okay, next I'm taking these little acorns that I also got from Walmart. I think I paid $1 for these. You can also get these at Dollar Tree, but I was already at Walmart, so I just grabbed these. Just make sure that you do not let go of the acorn until your hot glue is dry. You will see that I dropped a few of them off because I didn't hold them on there until they were dry, and they're kind of heavy for the tree. So as long as you wait till that hot glue is dry, you'll be fine. Okay, I had this ribbon already on hand. It's checkered and it has like deers on it. So I'm just wrapping it like garland on the Christmas tree because it went with the bow. If you want to get ribbon, you can go to the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of different types of ribbon, and I'm sure they'll have some that will match your theme. Or if not, you can go to Walmart. I think it's like $2 for some ribbon. But I really like the way this turned out with the ribbon wrapped around it since I'm not putting ornaments on it. And I will probably be adding lights, just not right now, because I'm going to wait until I get all my Christmas stuff out to add the lights. So here it is, guys. Here are my two Christmas trees. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They cost me probably $3 to $4 to make, and I just think they're so beautiful. So the next craft, I'm just taking these dice from Dollar Tree. They're in the toy section, and I'm just painting them red to match the red plaid. I'm painting them with red acrylic paint, and I had to do like 2 coats because the white kept showing through. And I'm also using Jenga blocks, which is also in the toy section. You can see them laying there on the table. And I'm going to make a Christmas countdown with this craft. So with this one, I kind of had trouble figuring out how I was going to do this, but I eventually figured it out. I put 2 little blocks here because I thought that I am going to need the block or the dice to sit up kind of high, but I didn't. So skip that step. And I am using the Waverly chalk paint, which I spilled everywhere when I opened. Okay, so you're just going to see me place these blocks and glue them on to this golf game, which I also found in the toy section at Dollar Tree. Now, you don't have to get the golf section or the golf toy. You can make that base with the Jenga blocks, but you have to just get another box of Jenga blocks because one would not do it. So you just see me putting those on there. And yes, there's a gap, which it's fine. We're going to fix that at the end. So now I'm just doing another row of the Jenga blocks on top of the first row that I already did. So as you can see, I did 3 rows of Jenga blocks, and I also put glue in. I'm going to put hot glue in between those holes and let it get hard and kind of just like a bear, so when you paint it, you ain't gonna really be able to see it. And I'm just gonna paint this whole thing with Waverly chalk paint. So before I decided to go ahead and paint on the numbers, I decided to take a marker and write the numbers down first. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to paint over them to make them thicker. So now I'm just taking a little bit of brown and kind of like wiping it on the white paint to make it look a little bit more rustic and wore out. Okay, so I'm just going to take one of these bows. I got a pack of 6 of them for $1 at the Dollar General. And I'm just going to hot glue one on to the middle of this little container that we made. And I did try to write countdown to Christmas on it, and it looked like crap. So I am trying to paint over that. And then I'm just going to use a little tag and glue it on to the side of the container. So here it all is up on my shelf, and I am in absolute love with everything and how it turned out. At first I was kind of worried about this little days until Christmas, but I love how it worked. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will do another one in a couple days. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you will get a notification when I do post my other DIYs.